why and how this word emerges. So, actually, Buddha explained in many ways, but this sutta is one of the sutta which has been attracting. That means Buddha explaining why this word is here. In Samyutta Nikaya, Loka Samudaya Sutta. The name is a Loka Samudaya Sutta. Buddha's explanation in this sutta is quite simple. We have five senses. Five senses. That depends on the person. Some person count six senses, or five or six senses. In our Buddhist tradition, the five senses counting is a very familiar. Anyway, eye, ear, nose, tongue, and feeling, tangible, and outside world, substances, and sound, the flavor, and the taste, and the something tangible, the substance, and the recognition. Recognition in Pali words, vijnana. Jnana is a very familiar, I think, most of the Indian people. Jnana is being known. But being is divided. So we can recognize this word automatically divided. We can understand this flower, this is a flower, this is a white color. Automatically we can understand. This is a function of vijnana. So automatically we divide. So vijnana and actually chakku, rupa, in Pali, the Buddha says, chakkuncha also, paticca rupeja, uppajjati chakku vijnana. That means chakku, rupa, and chakku vijnana. And the rupa word emerges. Like this, the sota, sabda, eye, ear, and sound, and ear vijnana, and ear word occurs. And like this six field there, the salayatana. Ayatana is a field. So the salayatana is in Buddha's word, in Samyutta Nikaya, this is the word. Who gave this word? Parents. So you give word to your beloved baby. So you are creator. Actually, I see all of you know, Buddha didn't worship any supreme creator God because most of your parents. The parents is a creator of your child.
Your mom.
Yes. So that's why we can't help. We cannot fail to. We cannot fail to express gratitude to our parents, because our parents is a presenter, great presenter of this world. You gave a great gift to both of you, your parents gave a great gift to your newborn baby. This is this word is a just a sequence of giving the word from generation to generation. Yeah, thank you for inviting me to this great opportunity. Thank you very much. Sounds nice.
Yeah, I can do much. Few words again.
Huh?
Much.
Much more.
You want to listen?
Actually, we are grateful to you.
Okay.
So, along with this completely, we got your darshan. So, we are very much happy and I am very much grateful to you.
प्रश्न असेल तर विचारायचा असेल प्रश्न तुला भाऊ तुला अरे विचार तुम्हाला तुम्हाला सर प्रश्न असेल तर विचारा. बौद्ध धर्माच्या संदर्भात, गर्भमंगल संस्कारासंदर्भात, बर्थ रिबर्थ संदर्भात काहीतरी प्रश्न असतील. चांगली गोष्ट आहे.